Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an unboxing of my Grow collaborative order for June. I didn't do one for the past couple months because my orders were kind of small and just kind of the usual things. But this month I'm trying a few new things, and a couple of my favorite products showed up in Grow Collaborative's shop, and I thought it'd be fun. It's a pretty heavy box. The label actually said it was 18 pounds, so I must have ordered a lot. I have an assistant with me. Would you like to be in the picture?
Yep.
I have an assistant who's going to pass me everything. So, first up we have the Hello toothpaste in natural sweet mint. You guys like this, right? This is the one you like. So my kids love the Hello toothpaste. I have worked with them in the past on my blog, so I'll link that down below. And they have sent me products from time to time. I am very happy to pay my own money for them because it is an amazing brand. I love it, my husband loves it, our kids love it. But it's basically just like a natural toothpaste. This one in particular whitens and cleans and removes plaque. I don't think this is one that the kids would use. I think we have a different flavor for them. But this is the natural sweet mint. Would you like to pass me another product? Okay, we have two. These are the ones that the kids like. It's their natural watermelon flavor. So that's one that they like to use. Next up.
This is some sort of tea bag thing.
This is the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Bar Soap. I like to use this in the shower, and this is the tea tree version. I've tried the peppermint and I've tried the lavender. The peppermint smells really good, but I would rather use that just like on my hands as a hand soap. So I have the peppermint bar in our hall bath that the guests use, and this one's going to be in my shower.
Men's body wash.
Men's body wash. So I use a lot of Method products. I actually use a lot of their cleaning products. I use their body wash for myself, and I noticed that they had Method for men, and I wanted to try this out. Well, I'm not going to try it out. My husband's going to try it out. This is the Cedar and Cypress scent, and I just want to remind myself of the scent. What do you think of this?
Smells like you've been out of the shower.
Oh. So this smells, it's definitely a manly scent, but it's not as overpowering as like some other body washes that he's used. So I think that we'll both like the scent. Oh, Women Things. This is the brand I like to use. Next.
You bought duct tape.
So I also want to say they tape everything really well at Grow Collaborative. Nothing has ever spilled in any of my orders. Nothing's ever been broken, and nothing's ever leaked. So this is the HAIRCARE Mega Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. I recently did a blog post about my hair care routine, and I use a lot of HAIRCARE products, and I do plan on doing like a kid hair care routine because I use some of these products on my daughter's hair. This is one that I use in place of a detangler. This is the leave-in conditioner, and it just helps me to like brush out her hair. I spray this on when it's still damp, and it gets through the tangles really easily. Okay, we got some trash. We got some more trash. Okay, this was a free item. Sometimes each month, if you get to a certain dollar amount, you get a free item. In fact, for my July order, I'm already like $2 away from it, so I'm gonna find something in the store. Sorry about the crinkling. I'm gonna find something in the store to add to my cart so I can get something for free. I don't remember what it was, but this is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lemon Verbena scent. I used to use Mrs. Meyer's, and the lemon verbena is one of my favorite scents. I think when they got bought by Clorox, I stopped buying them. This happens all the time. So when they got bought by Clorox, I stopped purchasing them, but I'm kind of changing my thoughts on that. So I might do a video or a blog post on that soon. So I will enjoy this candle though. So I like that scent. And then we have some more toothpaste. This is the Jason Power Smell Enzyme Brightening Gel Powerful Peppermint. What did I try? I've tried the toothpaste, and I've tried the toothpaste gel. The toothpaste foams up way too much for me. I like the toothpaste gel, and I haven't tried this one, but I'm interested in seeing if it whitens at all. Next, we have toilet cleaning products. So I thought that this was on back order, so I must have accidentally added 2 to my cart. But this is the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner in Spearmint. I like it. I've been using it for a couple years. And then we have some, this is from Method. So Method's one of my favorite brands. I'm just gonna take the tape off. This is the wood polish. So this is, it says almond. I don't know if it's like an almond scent or almond oil. Let's see what the ingredients are. Water, glycerin. Oh, okay. You have to go online to see all the ingredients. But I use the wood cleaner on our dining room table, and I need a good polish, so we're going to try that out to see if that can polish up the table really well. We have about 3 more items left. So this is the body wash that I like, and my daughter also likes. It's from Method. It's the Moisturizing Body Wash in Magnolia. And if you like floral scents, you will definitely like this. Even if floral scents aren't your thing, it's not a really strong scent. So if you kind of like floral scents sometimes, I would give it a try. I think it smells really good. It doesn't really stay on my skin, so that doesn't really, it doesn't bother me when body wash doesn't stay on my skin. Like, I can't smell it throughout the day. So if you also don't care if body wash scents stay on your skin, that might be a good option to try. Next, we have the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner. So I use this in the tubs and the showers, and it smells really good. This is the Eucalyptus Mint. It just smells really fresh. I really like it, and it's pretty effective. The bottle actually foams up, like this nozzle right here foams it up for you, so it really like disperses the product well. Is this the last thing? Is this the last thing?
Yep, it is. What is that?
Toilet cleaner. So when I thought that the Method toilet cleaner was on back order, oh my gosh, I'm like ripping this label off. When I thought the Method toilet cleaner was on back order, I put this in my cart because I really like 7th generation products as well. So this is their toilet bowl natural cleaner in emerald, cypress, and fir. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this scent more than I like the mint one, but I'm gonna give it a try because I needed to order toilet cleaner and I wanted to try this since the other one was on back order. But now I have the one that I like. So we have 3 bathrooms. I can definitely find a place for all 3 of those to live. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this. I will leave my referral link down below. Usually it's like a $10 credit if you use my referral link. I think right now it's like you get a 5-piece gift set with your first order as a new customer. So I'll leave the details down below, whatever they happen to be when I post this video. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye everyone. Bye.